All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, the Drip Network, get 1% back on your initial investment, 365%. Fantastic. We'll link that at the end here. All right, today we're going to be talking about Thor Crypto. Well, it's down right this second. People use these for nodes. People buy the coins. It's really, really down. We're going to kind of go over that. Go to their Twitter account, go to their website, check it out. We're also going to talk about how tomorrow FTX is giving away 1 million and 1.5 million, somewhere between there, in Bitcoin. A little bit about the Crypto Bowl and the Super Bowl. But right now, with Thor being down so much, if you're an investor looking to buy the coin, this could be a great discount buy because it's way, I talk about 10, 15, 20, I'm not even talking about 20%, 10, 15, 12%. You're going to really like this number here in a second. And then if you're into nodes and you want to buy the nodes, what a great time to buy the nodes because they're really, really lower. So we're going to go over that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, now tomorrow on Sunday, literally there's going to be FTX giving away $1 million or up to $1.5 million in Bitcoin. We're going to cover that in about the middle of the video. All right, let's head over to Thor. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, this is our first time talking about Thor. Coin is on CoinMarketCap 2920. This is what I'm talking about. It's down 49.94%. That's pretty much 50%. The coin is down 50%. Discount, ding, 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 ding. Discount, ding, 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 ding. Discount buy. Holy cow, $68. Clicking it. Now, right now, it's up 3.33%. The 3% doesn't do nothing compared to the 49% it's down. I mean, come on. If you have a lot of Thor and you see that it went up 3%, I mean, you're not even excited today. But on the flip side, if you've never been into Thor, or if you need to reposition, or if you need to get those nodes, this could be the time that you're looking for. All right, let's check this out. In the last we're going to go in the last 7 days, right here, this token is down 50%. I mean, it was literally up at $131, and now it's at $68. But I want to show you this. In 1 month, Thor was actually 233. Thor was 224 in the last 30 days. 187. Look at this, guys. I mean, 190, 202. I mean, it's down 50% in the last 7 days, but in the last month, it's down a lot more. So again, bringing this to you from Frank's Crypto Corner. If you're buying the coins type of person, you may want to look at this. 50% down from the last week. But again, in the last month, it was at 229. Right here, it's at $68. And if you're putting the node person together, you may want to look at this too. All right, next thing. We're over at the website, Thor Financial. Gain financial income by leveraging the Thor Financial multi-chain yield farming protocol. All right, a couple things. Unbeatable yield potential. Thor provides a yield potential with a protocol that works. It's efficiently returned for your protocol. Owned liquidity will return from the DeFi protocol across many chains to allocate rewards and yield holders. Diversify DeFi. We invite in different DeFi projects, staking pools, NFTs, and host to other carefully projects. To ensure we live by our community project policy, the selected projects are published within the community for a vote before we initiate the investment protocol. Secure the future, accumulate passive income. I'm telling you, everybody's looking for this right here, passive income. We'll keep an eye out for the bull and bear market patterns so we can benefit from every market circumstance. There is minimum downtime to our system. It is built by veterans to secure passive income for you and your estate. I'm telling you, passive income is what people are looking for. How it works, buy the Thor token, create a node, and earn daily rewards. Right here, guys. Buy the Thor token, create a node, and earn daily rewards. Now, I got a few strong nodes. I'm thinking about getting some Thor nodes myself. Here's why we're going over this. If you want to put nodes together, the coin's 50% down. So that means to put the node together, it's going to cost 50% less. Or at 50%, you get 2 for 1. What it would have cost you a week ago to put a node together, you can get 2 of them right now. So you may want to check this out. I mean, if you're into putting nodes together, if you're into passive income with cryptocurrency, our objective is to help as many generate passive income continuously with the minimal efforts. This is a reward people truly deserve, and we're bringing it to you. I mean, right here, I mean, in red, earn passive income returns with Thor nodes. The goal is to provide rewards by exposing you to different multi-chain DeFi protocols, all within the power of the single Thor node. You'll get to enjoy daily passive returns from blockchain nodes while we do the heavy lifting by researching and identify the yield-generating opportunities. Cutting-edge nodes as a service that provides you the opportunity to own a blockchain node, no hassle. Enjoy the returns from the blockchain node actively. Passive income without the risk of rug pulls and scams. Again, passive income, everybody. So, really liking this. I got the C on. Cincinnati's going to be in the Super Bowl tomorrow. No big deal. Let's do it, Cincy. Go Rams. Now, 50% down. Holy cow. I mean, honestly, if you're buying the coin person and you're looking buying the dip, El Salvador, I mean, 50%, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty freaking fantastic. All our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We're just friends here. All right. Now, next thing, if you're into buying nodes, you can put nodes together for 50% less right now. Fantastic. All right, let's head over to the Crypto Bowl, Super Bowl, FTX, 1.5 million to 1 million. What's going on? This is going on tomorrow. For everybody that's a crypto person, if you're not in the football, you are tomorrow because they're giving away millions of dollars. Right here, FTX will give out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. One of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges has announced that we'll be giving away free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. And then look what it says here. This is what I like. We're giving away some Bitcoin. How much? $1 million worth? Question mark. No, I mean maybe $1.5 million worth? Question mark. We don't know exactly. The later the game goes and ads on the air, the more advertisements that run, the more Bitcoin you can win. No purchase is necessary. And let's take a look at this, everybody. Here we go.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
All right, there's the FTX commercial. Let's talk about some of the rules. According to the official guidelines by FTX, each winner will receive the Bitcoin deposited into their FTX account. Keyword, you have to have an FTX account. May want to download it. The amount of the Bitcoin to be deposited will equal the time that it's ran by the sponsor. Also up here, the cryptocurrency exchange took to Twitter, and they're giving away free Bitcoins to 4 lucky winners. The thing that is... I can't figure the math. 4 Bitcoins doesn't equal 1 million. 4 Bitcoins doesn't equal 1.5 million. Somehow they're giving away 1 to 1.5 million. So I guess we'll find out tomorrow. Cincinnati Bengals will be playing the Rams tomorrow, so that's going to be fantastic. And since FTX is giving away 1 million, let's go ahead and play their advertisement with Tom Brady here.
Want to do one more?
Hang on. There's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say?
Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
$2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
Just trading crypto.
Oh.
Hey, y'all. It's not coming. Not coming.
All right, I wanted to play that just because, again, FTX is giving away 1 million or 1.5 million. You've probably seen this commercial if you actually been watching football. All right, the Super Bowl, or shall we call it the Crypto Bowl? Okay, so take a look at this. Here we go. We are very aware that the ads that run on the Super Bowl are basically everybody in the country will see it. The attention airs nationally. NBC has sold all their advertisements for the upcoming Super Bowl. The 30-second spot, here you go, everybody, $7 million for a 30-second commercial. Now, I mean, I know we're in a pandemic. I know we're in an economy and everything. I mean, it's kind of people are having a hard time out there. But the actual price is 27% up. So if you're an advertiser, you're paying 27% more than last year. I think last year was 6 or 5.5 million. Here's the big kicker. 43% of this year's marketers are made up of new businesses, including cryptocurrency exchanges. Now it says right here, on February 13th, you're going to hear some of the biggest names telling you to get into crypto. But do they know you? Your finances? No, only you do. Trust yourself. You better do your research on your own. Now, basically, there's going to be 4. The video is coming out, and it was ran by Binance. Commercials are going to have 4 different actual companies, and here's the 4 cryptocurrency companies. The following exchanges will be running ads during the Super Bowl: Binance, FTX, Crypto.com, and BitBuy. Now, BitBuy is actually out of Canada, so that's going to be pretty exciting too. Not only this year's Super Bowl halftime will witness some of the greatest names in the music industry, Dr. Dre, Eminem, Snoop Dogg, and it says what's interesting that Eminem recently purchased a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT for $500,000, $500,000. Snoop launched an NFT series in December, comprising of both audio and video elements, and Snoop is in the metaverse too. With some of these exchanges, Celebrates are selling NFTs, Celebrates are buying NFTs. It's just going to be a great Super Bowl. It's a good time for cryptocurrency knowledge along with sparking adoption. So right there, Super Bowl, Crypto Bowl. Yeah, so FTX giving away $1 million or $1.5 million. Crypto.com's going to be, BitBuy is going to be on there, and Binance. The best Super Bowl commercials coming from me, I think it's going to be cryptocurrency coming up on Sunday. All right, strong nodes. Strong itself, crypto, down 49%. If you want to put a node together, you can actually build 2 for the price of 1 right now. They're 50% off. I don't know if it's going to be like this forever. All our information is for educational purposes only, but how many times do you see crypto down 49%? Oh, you're over here on the Thor Finance. Here's when you build the node. I know the Odom right here. You got to have like 50 of them to build it. Then there's a Thor. Then there's this one and that. There's 4 different types you can actually build. Choose a warrior to fight for your rewards. And then the point is you build them and it generates rewards. We can go in another video on that. This was more of the coins down, the nodes are down, putting it together is 50% less. I'm not going to go through all the details. People want these Odoms. I mean, these things are super strong. You need 50 of them, but they're just absolutely awesome. Remember, the key thing here is passive income. Earn passive income, Thor nodes, passive income. All right, what's our price prediction over here at Thor? I mean, it's just crazy because this coin was up to $200 and some, and then it was just $130 a week ago. I set $68. I think the coin could go to $78 to $80. All our information is for educational purposes only. But for the sake of building nodes and for the sake of people getting in, you actually kind of want it to stay where it's at right now if you're trying to put the nodes together. But go back and look at your charts, do your own research. I mean, in the last 30 days, this coin was over 200. Within the last week, it was 135 or 133. It's 50% down. All right here, Thor, 49% down, trading at $68. So strong nodes are fantastic. Thor nodes, there's power nodes, there's X nodes. We're going to probably do a video on all these. We're just kind of bringing these a little bit to you and a little bit deep dive. Drip Network, I'm fantastically liking that one. I was listening to a person today talking about putting 26,000 in. Like you get 1% a day. Check out the video at the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. The Crypto Bowl, the Super Bowl tomorrow. There's going to be people that are going to win over $1 million in Bitcoin through FTX. I mean, this is a fantastic Super Bowl adoption thing going on. All right, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.